Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we look at the free video for tonight's review, I want to give you some thoughts on how we might be able to come in and look for some opportunity here in Tesla. Now, I don't know that the low is in. Obviously, that's been a kind of a treacherous game to be playing here for the past several sessions. But one pattern I do want you to be aware of is that of where a 21 period low is made, and then the bar that follows it here on the daily chart can close above the high of that low bar. When you see that pattern start to take shape, that should move you back into the 21 EMA. So you can see a little bit of that move up and through here. More a drastic example right here, where you have this low candle. The next day closes well above the high of that bar, and then through that advance, the move back into the 21 EMA is completed. Throughout all of this selling, that is not a pattern that has shown up once, right? Every day's action has stayed either inside the previous range or has traded lower. So that keeps the momentum to the downside in play. Now, today, you can see that we did make a fresh low down into 108.24. But some interesting things about measuring this current decline is how you're starting to see that the decline we're going through here mimics, and it's not to say that it can't be exceeded, but it for now is mimicking the largest correction that Tesla has seen from a price perspective. So if we take the lifetime high and run this down into the lows, made right there around 200, right? That correction is a given point value. Well, if we look at that swing high to swing low and then measure that from this swing high down into this swing low, that move would be around 106. So not only do you have the psychological value of 100 that may be slowly starting to come into play, but you have a correction that is very similar to a previous correction. And that has me thinking that a bounce like what happened previously could also be underway. Now, before I step into and really try to take advantage of that situation, I do want to see that prices can close. Essentially, can Thursday's close into the day above 116.27? If so, well, then we are finally underway for a move back into something like 166, right? Now, again, so much can happen on the way into those values, but you're looking for moments where the one-time framing has ended, that the selling may subside, and then we get a chance to bounce back into a reversion to the mean. So that's one of the more important charts out there. I believe we're on some very important levels heading into tomorrow. So I wanted to keep you on top of that setup. And then we'll see how it develops heading into the new year. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.